In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Heygen support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go for quick help, how to start a conversation with the team, and where to find reliable self-serve resources if you prefer to troubleshoot on your own. First, make sure you're logged into your Heygen account. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see a small support or chat icon there, often a speech bubble or question mark. This is your direct line to the support team. If your window is small, it may appear as a compact button. Expanding your browser can help reveal it. Click that icon to open the support panel, then choose Send us a message. This starts a new chat thread with Heygen support. In your first message, clearly describe what you need help with, whether it's a question, a concern, or general feedback. Include concise, relevant details like what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. If you saw an error, share the exact wording. The clearer your description, the faster the team can assist. If an attachment option is available, a short screen recording or a screenshot highlighting the issue can be extremely helpful. For your security, avoid sharing passwords, full payment details, or any other sensitive personal information in the chat. If you'd like to go a bit deeper or prefer to research on your own, close the chat panel by clicking the small arrow in the chat window. Then select Help. This opens the Help Center, which is organized by topic and designed to guide you step by step through common questions and how-tos. Once you're in the Help Center, use the search bar to quickly filter for what you need. Try short, specific keywords that match your question, such as login, export, captions, or avatars. The results usually include setup guides, troubleshooting tips, and best practices. Many articles include screenshots and short instructions so you can follow along at your own pace. For anything related to billing or account plans, open the Account Plus Billing category. Here, you'll find articles that explain subscriptions, invoices, and plan changes. You'll also see a contact email address dedicated to billing inquiries. If you choose to email, write from the address associated with your Heygen account and include a brief summary of the issue along with any non-sensitive details that help identify your subscription, like your plan name or a relevant invoice number. Do not include full card numbers or sensitive personal data. That's it. Use the bottom right icon to message support directly or head to Help for in-depth articles and the Account Plus Billing contact. This approach ensures you get answers quickly and securely.